screen black as night, trying to learn a new magic, a new kind of light. The rules feel so strict, every space, every dot. One little mistake is a battle I've fought. I'm trying to speak to the soul of the code, to carry a message, a powerful load. They say that this language is clean and it's smart, a way to build worlds right from your own heart. I take a deep breath and I type out the line, hoping this time for a magical sign. The serpent of logic, it's time to obey. I press the run button and blow them away. I'm learning the power and magic of Python with a print. The future is bright and this language is music. The syntax a song in the world of the code. It's where I belong. Yeah, the magic of Python is setting me free to build anything that I want to be. The variables hold my ideas and my dreams. The logic just flows in incredible streams. The syntax is simple, no brackets, no mess, just pure inspiration and nothing done less. The code uncoils smoothly, a serpent so fast, a spell that I'm casting, a shadow I cast. From a simple idea to a complex design, the power of Python is finally mine. I'm learning the power and magic of Python with a print. The future is bright and this language is music. The syntax a song in the world of the code. It's where I belong. Yeah, the magic of Python is setting me free to build anything that I want to be. And when I find bugs and the errors appear, that old wave of doubt is replaced by no fear. 'Cause a coder in Python is clever and bold. The greatest of stories is about to unfold.